Okay, this is the first fly with Inav and my Aggressor FPV wing. Okay, we have a Maytech 743 wing. Okay, we're gonna fly it without FPV. Okay, it's disconnected because this is the first fly, so we don't want to ruin any equipment unnecessarily. Okay, we have the port right here for the flight controller, and we have right there a Crossfire full size LED right there for information, and we're using the stock motor and stock prop. Okay, we do have a bag right here, a U-bag, extra U-bag, but it's not being used right now. So the airplane actually is going to fly for the first time with Inav. Okay, we have a BN80 GPS. The compass is not connected. It's only the GPS. We're using Crossfire protocol, servos and everything. We have connections for the video transmitter, the VTX, and pan and tilt, and we have connections for the camera, but we're not going to use it right now. Okay, so we're going to fly it line of sight. Okay, we're going to launch it in manual mode. We do not going to launch it on auto takeoff because we don't know how the navigation system will work. So we're going to test in this fly only manual mode, acro mode, horizon mode, angle mode, and if everything goes well, then we're going to do a return to home. So bear with me. See you on the fly line.
Welcome to Jumper TX. Camera 1 active. Camera 2 deactive. Engines disarmed. Check channel 5 and 6 for pan and tilt camera. OSD default. Manual mode. Aggressor FPV wing. Stereo off. Acro mode.
No.
Horizon mode. Altitude hold. Return to launch. Buzzer on. Manual mode.
Man, there's like no wind.
That's a problem for me.
There's a little bit of breeze, but man, there's gappers.
Yeah, I know. I feel it. Okay, here we go. And for you guys to see it, the OLED, it's right there for information because I have not installed the FPV system yet. So, here we go.
RF. Signal. No.
That's the beep of the satellite. There you go. Beautiful.
It's easy to do when there's very little wind.
Not really. Sometimes we'll bite you.
But it's easy to dead stick it though when there's no wind.
Yeah.
Toast it in.
Okay, here we go. Either we're going to the hospital.
Are you hand launching that back?
Of course.
To, yeah.
So, or it's a perfect fly or it's a perfect crash.
I like it.
Hey,
All in or all out?
it is what it is. Okay, here we go. it's all balanced. And the point, yes it is. It's so far perfect. So here we go. Make sure there is a manual mode. Okay. My God, it's not that easy to hold it. Oh.
Engines on. LEDs on. Engines on. RF. Signal. Low. Acro mode. RF. Signal. Low.
In acro mode, is flying fantastic.
1 minute.
Let's gain some altitude. And
Signal low. Battery 80%. Angle mode. Angle mode.
angle mode is working fantastic.
400 feet. 446 feet. Horizon mode. Horizon mode. 2 minutes. 456 feet.
Okay, he goes return to launch.
Return to launch. Buzzer on. Return to launch. Altitude hold active.
It needs more speed and return to launch. In a windy day, this is gonna be a disaster.
Send.
Now, failsafe.
Return to home.
This is if I lose signal. So I need more speed for that mode. The angle of turn is good. So
RF. Signal low. RF. Signal low.
all right. And I'm going to trigger
RF. Signal low.
cruising. Here we go.
Altitude hold. Angle mode. Altitude hold active.
That's an altitude hold. You don't supposed to lose altitude.
Signal low.
I need more
RF.
speed.
Signal low.
It's climbing and holding altitude.
RF. Signal low.
And turning. So let's see.
Signal low. Return to home. GPS flight is activated. Failsafe on. 5 minutes. Failsafe on. Altitude hold off. Battery 40%. RF. Signal low.
Turn right. And need more speed in the cruising mode.
RF.
Are you able to make adjustments for that?
Yeah.
Altitude hold active. RF. Signal low. Manual mode. Manual mode. Altitude hold off. RF. Signal
All right, we have a winner.
battery
Come on. All right. Okay, we're gonna test auto launch. Hopefully everything will go fine. The first flight was okay. So, and it's cold as shit. Okay, we are in manual mode. So,
Auto launch detected. Power up.
no, I bumped the radio. Okay, we have a fail auto takeoff because I bumped on the radio and I took it out of auto launch. So we're gonna try again. Hopefully it will not get destroyed. We tape the wings with masking tape. I hope it holds. Okay, here we go. Okay. Yes!
Battery 90%. RF signal low.
Woo!